guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are talking about how to keep your embroidery thread nice and tidy. And this is for those types of threads that don't have the kind of pop out, pop in bottom, where you can just stick the thread in it, pop it back, and then it stays, which I love this type of thread, but not all thread comes like this. The specific type of thread that I'm using for this video is the Nubro thread, which I've done a review on them already, but these are both from them and they sell both types. So if you get the big bundle where it has all the different colors, it doesn't have the pop-in mechanism. All it has is this kind of plastic canister. So I'm going to tell you how to fix that, and no, it is not tape, because the tape, as you can see, does not work. All you're going to need is a pair of scissors. Flip your spool of thread over and make a slit in the base. Take the thread end and insert it in between the slit. And as you can see, it is nice and secure. I can shake it, put it upside down, and the thread is not going to come undone. So all I'm doing is tidying up the threads, making sure that they're no longer loose or tangled, making a slit at the base, and inserting the thread end into the slit. These are the Westcott titanium heavy duty crafting and quilting scissors. You can use regular scissors, however it will be harder to cut through the plastic, so I recommend these ones, otherwise you will be sawing through the plastic to get it to work. As far as spools that haven't been opened, I'm just leaving them as such and only doing the ones that are opened that I've tried to use this tape with, because those are the ones that are the issue. I'm not just going to open them up just to cut them to keep them clean, because they're already nice and tidy and they're plastic. And that way I am able to see what colors I actually use and what colors I don't. The first time I used the tape method, I thought it was amazing, ingenious, but as you can see, the loose ends, once they become untaped or fall off the tape, they get tangled in with other ones and then they get stuck to the tape, and then you're just pulling out a jumbled up mess that is so frustrating, because you go to grab one spool and you're just unraveling another. Alright, that's all the tips I have for tidying up your thread that's unraveling. If you want to continue watching this video, it will be ASMR style of me tidying up the rest of this box of thread. But for those of you that just came for the tip, I hope you enjoyed and found it helpful. If you did, please let me know down below in the comments, and I'll see you guys in the next one.